I'm McDonald and I drive the trailer. Normally drive the trailer with the remote, supervise and keep control of everything.
I'm Lockie, basically just sort of learning to drive the trailers and that with them now, and yeah, sort of do a similar sort of thing.
I've been doing it for 30 years, so pretty much all my life.
I mean, I'm probably 6 months into doing it now. I've done a little bit of time before with helping them here and there, but yeah, sort of 6 months full time with them now, so.
It makes our job a lot easier. This load here is 31 metres, I think, the building. So with the truck on it, we're nearly over 40 metres. Just to get around these roundabouts, we just couldn't do it without this trailer. So it just makes it doable and makes them so they can build it to the length that they've got here. And they know that they're confident in us to make sure it gets there without getting damaged. With this trailer, we can steer, 7 axles there, we can tilt, we can side shift the front across, we can steer away from poles, we can miss gutters. It's pretty much an amazing machine.
Even just the fine details and tuning on site, getting them, getting buildings and stuff like that, exactly where you want them. Like you got a 5 axle trailer with a 2 axle extension. The trailer's almost at full extension now, 50 tonne load, 30 metres long.
Well, we're leaving here from where they get built and we're heading to Wagga. We've got a few turns to get onto the main road, a few roundabouts to manoeuvre around and that kind of stuff. It's a lot better once you get on the freeway.
This trailer makes it easy to load just because it's so manoeuvrable, coming into tight places like this. We had to pull this one out, dump it, spin around and grab it again. Just doing tight manoeuvres like that makes everything heaps easier.
It makes our job a lot easier. Getting this 30 metre building to its destination without getting damaged. Nearly impossible without this sort of trailer and equipment. When it's on the road, it computerises it and tells itself where it's going and turns all the axles as we go. So this machine just pretty much takes over itself and it can steer around the corner just following the steering wheel. Really impressive stuff. But once you can switch these modes, we get to the site, we can do travel modes and then we can do a site mode. We can full crab it over and bring it in position, getting it away from things. It's got a few modes on here which makes it just an amazing machine. When we back into places, we can get the rear axles nearly straight and bring the front of the load around, which this one can take over and steer the front of the building across and move it in position on a pivot. Once we get on site, Shane can switch it over to manual crab mode and we can turn these wheels nearly 45 and just crab the thing nearly sideways. The quick connects, which allows us to take off the two wheels at the back. It can just detach, plug in, so we can just add to the trailer and turn the thing into a 5-row into a 7-row. And then if we want to make more couplings later on, we can continue on with the process as they all plug into each other.
Just this trailer here allows for easy elevation up to 3 metres. Putting buildings like this up on stanchions makes it heaps easier for stuff like that.
Yeah, we do jobs there on the post, don't we? We back in, you have all these people watching and we just sort of back in, lift up, go across the post. Yeah, within 20 minutes, we have it sitting on post, bolted down, and just everyone on site just can't believe it. Yeah. They're just going, normally would take all day with cranes, then we just come in, lift it up, steer it in. 10 minutes later, the boys are putting bolts in, doing it up, rattling up, and within half hour, we're dropping down out of a building like this, dropping down and pulling out, and everyone on site just is blown away by, can't believe this trailer. It's just a miracle machine, you know what I mean? So, you know, that's the big difference, I think, with these trailers. I've known Bruce for a long time and they've become like family, really. They're call them on the phone, you can get them on the phone and I mean, it's a technical machine, so you need to have that support, which we do. TRT are the best in the business. Just enjoy working with them and mate, we're always on call for all the questions we need to know. It's a bit of a trailer so technical that you're always learning yourself what it can do, and sometimes it surprises us, more tricks it just has, you know what I mean?